بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamo Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Recite Quran. In today's lesson, we will be reading line number 3rd, 4th in lesson number 2. As I told you previously that this lesson is singular letters in non-alphabetical order. So follow me. Bismillah Rahim. Qaf, Kaf, Ain, Hamza, Ba, Fa. Next line. Lam, Noon, Waw, Mim, Ha, Ta. This is Ta. When if there is a circle have a 2 dot up, it will be Ta. Same like this Ta. This Ta, two dots up, and this circle have 2 dot up. That's why these two are Ta. One is circle Ta and one is flat. So this will be Ta. And this Ha, we also call it the eyes. Eyes Ha. It's look like eyes. And this is the circle Ha. They are the same. Ha and Ha, pronouncing from the same origin. So they will be same. Now let me repeat these two lines again. Qaf, Kaf. Do this Qaf bold. Qaf with full up mouth. Kaf, this Kaf will not be bold. Kaf, Ain, Hamza, Ba, Fa, Lam, Noon, Waw, Mim, Ha, Ta. Excellent, good job. So this is enough for today. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and your family. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.